Hi, welcome. Please subscribe the channel. How to compress or password protect folder for free without any purchase software. Let's start. First, let us create the folder. Right click in the desktop, choose new. So from this menu, click folder. So here is our new folder. To compress the folder without any software, right click the folder, then send folder to compress, but you will need some file inside this folder to compress. So we will put some demo file, for example this file, into this folder. Now right click the folder, send, compress, and here is our compressed folder. So this is our compressed folder. So this will save some of your disk space. So now to password protect this folder, we will need a free software called 7-Zip. Open your browser, search for 7-Zip, 7-Zip. Open this first link. As you can see, we have two versions, a 62-bit and 64-bit. To find out what version of Windows you are using, go to Start menu, go to Computer, right click and go to Properties. Here you will see details of your operating system. For example, I am using 64-bit operating system, so I will download the 64-bit software by simply clicking on this download link. So this is the software. Just click twice to install the software. Yes. Install and close. So we are done with the installation. So let's password protect this folder. Right click it and choose 7-Zip. Click add to archive, and now here you have to click these two options, show password and unscript file name, and now give some password that you want to use on your folder. For example, I will give 123. This is my password, and click OK and done. So if you try to open this folder, it will ask you for password. So for the password of this folder was 123 and OK. So hopefully you like this video. If it was helpful for you, kindly subscribe the channel for more useful videos. Take care.